walk takes me to Vodice, one of the most loved seaside towns in Croatia. Vibrant, sunny, and full of life. The morning wakes above the marina. Yachts rest like white birds on turquoise glass. The smell of espresso, the sound of gulls, the promise of another perfect day. Olivia walks by the promenade, past palms, flowers, and smiling faces here. Every corner feels alive, shops opening, laughter floating on the air. Whoa, Vodice is a town for everyone. For families there's blue beach with soft pebbles, clear water, and plenty of shade. For those who love adventure, jet skis, parasailing, paddle boards, and diving into the endless blue. Just a short boat ride away, the quiet island of Plava, a peaceful escape where time slows down. And if you look far out, the islands sparkle on the horizon. Croatia's natural treasure, a paradise for sailors and dreamers. Beach walk with Olivia along the golden shore. Vodice, your rhythm calls, I couldn't ask for more. From morning calm to sunset glow, your spirit shines wherever I go. Evenings in Vodice are full of color. Music echoes from terraces. People stroll with ice cream in hand, the air warm and sweet. Restaurants serve the sea's gifts, fresh fish, olive oil, white wine, and the taste of Dalmatia in every bite. Nearby trails lead to Treep and Adriatic, each step filled with coastal beauty. And just a few kilometers inland, Croatia National Park waits with waterfalls, forests, and the scent of wild herbs. Beach walk with Olivia, where the sea meets the sky. Vodice, a place to laugh, to breathe, to simply try. Each moment here feels free, a summer melody. Beach walk with Olivia by the endless sea.